Okay, so I just now got back home from a long drive from Kentucky. I am back in Ohio, and I have a video to share with you guys that was captured at 6 o'clock this morning. The owner of the residential case that we investigated last night, they had told us that one of the things that is always going on in their home is people who have stayed there family-wise have been hearing what sounds like somebody walking around on the porch. And they do have a security camera on the porch, and at 6 in the morning, he was woke up and he heard something going on, and he went out there and checked it out. He didn't see anybody, but when he reviewed the video camera, you could hear what sounded like somebody walking around on the porch. Us ladies didn't wake up. We didn't hear it. We were clearing the back room. So you're not going